If you're seeing the CapCut message, too many people are using this feature right now. Don't worry, because in this video, I'll show you the fastest ways to fix it and get back to editing. This issue usually happens because of server overload, regional restrictions, or a problem with your current network. And the good news is, there are a few simple things you can try right away. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech fixes like this. First, turn on a VPN. In many cases, this is the quickest fix because it can help bypass regional blocks or connect you to a different server route that isn't overloaded. Open your VPN app, connect to a stable location, and then reopen CapCut to check if the feature works again. If it still doesn't work, the next thing to try is switching your network. Disconnect from your current Wi-Fi and connect to a different Wi-Fi network if you have one available. If that's not possible, use a mobile hotspot from your phone and test CapCut again. Some networks, especially public, school, office, or restricted networks, can block CapCut's cloud services or create connection issues that trigger this error. Once you've changed the network, give the app a moment to reconnect and then try the feature again. Next, clear the app cache inside CapCut. Open CapCut, go to Settings in the top right corner, and then look for the Drafts tab. From there, find the cache size and tap the trash icon next to it to clear the stored files. This can remove temporary data that may be causing the feature to fail or get stuck. After clearing the cache, restart CapCut and try again. If the problem still continues, it may simply be a server-side issue, which means the feature is overloaded on CapCut's end. In that case, waiting can actually be the best solution. Give it 10 to 30 minutes, then try again later. If possible, use CapCut during off-peak times like early mornings or late nights, when fewer people are using the service and the servers are less crowded. That often makes a big difference. So to recap, the best fixes are to turn on a VPN, switch your network, clear the app cache, and wait out peak hours if the servers are overloaded. Try these steps one by one, and in most cases, the error should go away without needing anything complicated. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you want more CapCut troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.